So today, obviously, I'm not going to use it as a bio. Fuck off. Hi, welcome back to another episode of Bushcraft Brotherhood. Tonight, or this evening, we're in the local woods to talk about another piece of equipment that I picked up from Go Outdoors, and here it is. This is a basically barbecue, but I'm going to use it today as a fire pit. So I picked up from Go Outdoors, about £9 in sale. It's got 2 air holes each side. It has the legs are on the bottom, which you just fold out. So it looks something like that. It's got the grill to cook on if you must, or if you wish. It's got a carrying handle. It's particularly light, about 1 kilogram, but it's bulky. So if you were to, trek, you wouldn't want to be carrying this. We've got the car not too far away, so it's kind of ideal to use it in the sort of spring, summer months where there is a risk of starting a wildfire. To take out that risk, I purchased this to have a fire in. So yeah. So when I picked this up, it's already assembled. You don't need to assemble it. What we'll literally do is just pull out the legs. That's 1, 2. Just clear a little bit of the floor. Go like that. And there we go. We are good to go to have a fire. The grill is obviously removable, and it just slots in there just like that. Nice and simple. The £9, it feels a bit flimsy, but like I said, for £9 you can't go wrong really. The legs feel flimsy, but the actual barbecue itself, it's quite solid. So for £9, I'm happy with that. So today I'm not going to use this barbecue / fire pit for its intended purpose, which is obviously a barbecue. Just gonna have a fire in it. So I need to get some wood. Luckily in this forest there's plenty of dead wood on the floor, so I'm just gonna pick some up. So tonight I'm losing light fast. I've only got about an hour, maybe 45 minutes left of light, so I'm not messing around today. So to start this fire, just bought a small bag with a lighter cubes. I'm just going to use one of them. I didn't bring the lighter. I've got maybe 45 minutes left of daylight, so I'm not messing around today. So I've got some just some lighter cubes in here, and some weatherproof matches, well, windproof matches. So there we have the barbecue fire pit. It's going really well. It's giving off a lot of nice heat, you know, and it's contained. It's got a lip just round the edge, so there's no chance of any wood or tinder falling out. The air holes work really well. Yeah, for £9, I'm pretty impressed with this. It's a nice fire pit.